Oh, how to add destinations on Lyft. So open the Lyft app and tap where to on the home screen. Now type in your main destination, and then uh, once it appears, once the plus icon appears, you click on it next to the end address to add a stop, and enter the address or choose from your recent or saved locations. You can only add one extra stop before confirming. Now with your pickup location first, stop and final destination set, review the route and fare estimate. Now, then tap Request to Lyft. Now, Lyft will map out your route with both stops included. If you need to adjust or remove the stop before the ride begins, tap the stop on the map and select Remove Stop or edit it directly. And during the ride, if your stop needs to change, open the app, tap the current destination field, and type the new one. Lyft will recalculate and update the route in the fare automatically. Now that's it. It's simple, smooth, and ensures your ride fits your plans. And if this helped you, like and subscribe for more fast app guides.